So this function is date. Date returns the serial number of a particular date. Let's understand what is a serial number. If I enter today's date, let's say that is for April 29, 2023, and press enter, this gives me a serial number, a number 45045. And if I add 1 to it, definitely become 45046. So if I convert these numbers into date, this is April 29 and this is April 30. So these both dates have a serial number. What if I convert this to 1? If I enter 1, this gives me Sunday, January 1, 1900, which means serial number 1 is January 1, 1900, and since January 1, 1900, since till today, the 45, okay, 45,045 days have been lapsed. Let's use our function date is equal to date. First, I have to enter year, comma, month, comma, day, and this gives me the 45045. So if I give year, month, date, the date function, it converts into a serial number.